Right. Hello, my friends. I've just had a request from a member about how to find the referral link. Okay, first of all, when you log in, you will come into the IMB network and you'll see the menu here. It's really important that you spend some time just to go through and read everything, okay? But you don't really need to learn all of it. You know, some of it's just sort of information, but the most important ones, of course, you want to refer people directly, okay? And you go down to the invite button here, okay? You click there, and then you will see there's two options, okay? The first one, you should always use the top link to register a person, okay? You can give both, but it overcomplicates things. So all I do when I register a person, I copy this link here. You just press the little copy button, and that's the link that you will give to people so they can register. Okay, always remember this blue brain. Okay, because if people don't log in with this blue brain, you lose money. Okay, and I'm sure you're in this to make money. So just to go back over that again, so you go to invite, you copy this one by doing that, and yeah, and then it's copied for you to give that to a person, okay, to a prospect. What else is there that you need to know briefly right now? Probably not so much. I'm still making another film for more detailed information, but once you're in this site anyway, for you to get to the AI marketing part, you just go to the top tab here and you click on there. It might be a little bit slow because I'm on Zoom. And then you have to change the language. Unless you speak Russian, then you don't need to. And you go to sign up, sign in, same thing. Now you'll see the blue brain I'm talking about. You always click this, even on the registration. Do not click any of these to register. That's why you should always use my film, the one that's in my YouTube channel. It explains, you know, if you've got a prospect and you're giving them the link, make sure you give them your link with the brain and make sure they watch my film so they know how to register. Okay, it makes your life much more easy. Okay, so that's what I highly recommend. Okay, but then of course, you know, I would click on here. And then, of course, I would just go through the login procedure, and you notice that it's actually connecting to this website as well because of the brain. Okay, so I think that should be enough information about how to find your referral link. So.